Hi, I'm Chris. I'm one of the heads of faculty at Priestley, and I'm also in charge of our Excel programme at the college. At the college you can do pre-med and pre-law, which are specific for those particular career pathways. We also have the graduate programme, which is a series of bespoke sessions giving you the skills and abilities needed to move on to the best institutions in the country. The Excel programme is aimed at those students going forward with a 7 to a 7.5 and above G score, and those that are looking to move on to the most prestigious universities in this country and abroad. So across the programme we've got a number of different specialists. For our scientists and our vets, we have Shahida, who gives fantastic advice and practical skills to help you go into those careers. We also have Connie Bostock, who is our Oxnet coordinator, who's just graduated from Oxford with a PPE degree, and she delivers sessions around the skills needed to move on, with personal statements, with admissions tests, and with general interviews going into these universities. Other opportunities we've got available on the Excel programme involve our lecture series. Over this past year, we've had people like Sir David Liddington in, who was the Deputy PM under Theresa May. We've had Lee Ivett, who is an award-winning architect from Glasgow, who now works in Preston. And we've also had philosophers from Oxford and Cambridge in as well, doing sessions. And students can tap into these to really build their supercurricular going forwards. The reason I work at Priestley is because I really believe in the values that the principal and the staff follow here. We're an inclusive college, and we really work hard to help the students achieve to the best that they can. At the same time, the students here are absolutely fantastic, and they come wanting to learn and wanting to progress onto the best possible pathways available.